This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable lids, specifically these basic nature lids. We have several to show you. The first is the round, clear plastic dome lid. It fits the 9, 12, and 16 ounce basic nature cups. Next is the round, clear PLA plastic 2-in-1 straw or sippy cup lid. It fits 9, 12, and 16 ounce cups as well. And finally, the round, clear PLA plastic flat lid fits the 20 ounce cups, giving you 3 great lid options in this line. And you can see we have them here on some cups. We've got our dome on a 12 ounce, our sippy on a 16, and finally the flat on the 20 ounce. The lids are all made of a compostable, cornstarch-based bioplastic for a fantastic eco-friendly option to regular foam or plastic lids that are available. So they're really great if you want to keep with the eco-friendly nature of your business and provide a great environmentally friendly disposable option. They're designed to work with the basic nature line of cups, and you want to check the listings for the lids to find compatible cups for what you're ordering. The designs are all meant to be stackable for great space-saving storage, and you've got some different style options as well, so you can really choose the lid that fits your needs. The dome is great for extra headroom if you're doing things like slushies, shakes, or smoothies, or just a cold beverage that maybe needs whipped cream and some toppings on it. The straw and sippy cup is great for any beverages that you might want to have sipped, and it also has that double up with the straw hole in the middle, making it a nice multi-function lid. And the flat ones are just going to give you that nice, tight, flat seal, so if you don't need or want extra headroom, they're a fantastic basic option with that center hole. These are all fantastic options to use for cold beverages, and they're going to be a great eco-friendly option for any establishment that's looking for disposable lids for their cold, refreshing drinks.